20.
Show me your hands now! Get out of the car! Do it now! Get out of the stop! Everybody get on the ground! Everybody get on the ground right now! Driver, step out with your hands up! Step out with your hands up! Turn around, face away from me. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Come, stand up or you're going to get dog bit. Walk backwards. Keep walking backwards. Stop. Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Stay right there. Do not move. City, this car is packed full of people. I've got the driver at gunpoint. I need some more people down here. Nobody move. You got me? Don't move. Stop. Stop. Driver, stand up and walk back to me. Walk backwards to me. Keep going. Keep going. Keep coming. Keep coming to me. Keep coming to me. Step to your right. Step to your right. Step to your right. Stop. Go to your knees. Cross your legs. Don't move, everybody. Yeah, well, that was dumb, huh? Don't move. Man, what was that all about? Stand up.
Bullshit, thought I had some weed on me. I ain't even got no fucking weed.
Is there anybody else in that car, or is it just y'all?
Just us.
Everybody stand up. Keep your hands on top of your head. Turn around and face away from me. Face away from me. Come here, man. Y'all are good. Y'all are good. Y'all step right back here, but I'm by myself, so I want to be able to see y'all control you. Stop right there. Everybody stop. Pull your pants up. Everybody stop. Y'all stay right where you're at. Start at 10-11. Y'all go stand in front of that car for me.
I'll get my face.
No. Don't get in the car. Stand in front of it. Nope, stand in front of it. Go. Everybody stand in front of it. Yeah, there's a dog in there.
I'm allergic.
You're allergic? Too bad.
I think I
Get in.
no problem, sister child.